Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a grocery haul. We just got back in town from being out of the country for 5 days, and so I definitely need to go through my pantry, go through my refrigerator, and make a list of the things that I need to buy so that I can cook. Also, I have a couple of recipes for desserts. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell button because I have a Thanksgiving dessert video coming up. But anyway, today is also a collaboration, and it is hosted by Tiffany at Small Town 6 and Jessica at Jessica My Rose. I'm gonna put their links in the description box below, so you're gonna wanna make sure to check out their channels. But let's go ahead and I'm gonna go to Target. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of the great stores like Kroger and Publix that give you lots of deals and sales, but I'm gonna go to Target because I also want to check out what they have in their Target dollar spot and in their Christmas section, because I will probably be picking up some of that stuff too, and I wanna show you as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, here is everything that I got at a glance from Target today. Plus, there is a little bit right there that I'm going to show you in a minute, but it is from the Target dollar spot. Yeah, this whole thing costs about $220. That's not really that much. Now, I did get a couple of expensive things like the detergent and the Gain things. But anyway, let me show you first the cold stuff. I just got, we like Tombstone pizza, but they didn't have any, so I just got the, I don't know, I guess the Target brand. These two things, unfortunately, we don't have like a Kroger where we get huge sales on stuff, but I did get these two things and they were marked 60 cents down each. Of course, I got 18 eggs. Most of this stuff is stuff that I need for a couple of baking videos, so you'll get to see those if you subscribe and click the bell button. But anyway, I got a 2-pack of cream cheese, 18 eggs. I needed more brown sugar. I needed some heavy cream. They didn't have the larger container, so I'm just gonna start with this. I'll probably have to go back. Mini tater tots. Have you ever seen mini tater tots? I haven't. This, y'all, oh my gosh. This is so good. I usually buy about 5 or 6 by the end of the season just so I can have it for a while. Got some butter, some sour cream. My son likes these to take with him as a quick breakfast. Have you ever tried these? Y'all, look, this is another thing I usually buy a bunch of bags of before the end of the season because they are so good. This, another thing, delicious. This is gonna be in a dessert video. You're not gonna wanna miss that. These I bought for my coffee bar, which I will do a coffee bar video, but they're hot cocoa toppers. And then these Andes peppermint mints. This was new. It's for your coffee bar. So cool. Again, I'm gonna do a coffee bar video, but I love goldfish crackers, so I got some more of those. These two things have to have for my bath time at night. I needed more detergent. I usually get mine from Sam's, but I needed it now, so I went ahead and got it. I needed, let me come over here. I needed more cotton balls, milk. I normally buy just a half a gallon because just only me and my husband like milk, but I've got some baking to do. And then these, my son likes these Celsius drinks. We needed more bread. I like taking these for immunity. And then have you ever had throat coat tea? Sorry my hand's shake, guys, but that's just something that, I don't know, the doctor calls it tremors, but anyway, my hand's shake. So anyway, this throat coat is awesome if you have a sore throat, and I like to keep it on hand, so I had to get more of that. Then I needed more vanilla and more, where is it? More baking powder. So that is pretty much everything. Oh, and I needed caramel for my coffee bar too. That's pretty much everything that I got on my shopping haul from the regular like grocery section. But now I'm going to show you some of the things that are in the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye Playground, and then I'll show you a few things that I got from there. I do want to say thank you for Tiffany and Jessica for hosting this collaboration. You really do want to go see their channels. They both have tons of motivation, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, decor. You are going to love what they offer. Also recipes, don't forget to check those out as well. But I will put their links, like I said, I will put their links in the description box. And also make sure that you visit the playlist, because there are people from all over that are taking part. And so they may have stores in your area that I don't necessarily have. So you want to see what they are finding as well in their shopping hauls, any sales, but make sure to check out the playlist. And don't forget, every time you visit one of their channels, make sure to tell them that I sent you. So let's go ahead and get back into the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as the bell button. I do shopping hauls, home decor, home organization, meal ideas, so you don't want to miss any of them. Please consider subscribing. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family, as well as helping me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. You guys, I am almost there. I'm so close. So help me out with that. These trees are pretty tall and they are $5, but they're pretty sparse, so not sure if it's worth it. Now this area, these items that I'm showing you now are part of the Wonder Shop in the Christmas section, but all the items that I'm showing you are also $5. It's like our Target store puts out stuff in waves, so I just kind of have to get it as I see it. But they had this, which is kind of cute. It's a gift wrap paper cutter. And then this cute little ornament was only $1. These two things were $1. This cute mistletoe ball was $3. Each of these reindeer were $3. And then this 2-pack of smaller ones was $3. This little tree right here, this frosted, I don't know what kind of tree that is, but it was $3. This board, let me move these two things. This board is like a stand. It's so cute. That was $5. Did I say this was $3? And then this coffee bar set, so cute. Comes with a little jingle bell, a couple of signs, and a couple little gift, like present boxes. And then this one over here, cute, looks like it's a little sign. It looks like cookies on a tray. And then it says, I just want to bake cookies and drink hot cocoa. A little Santa Claus gnome and a hot cocoa sign. I think these were $5 each. Let's see. Yep, those were $5 each. So those are some of the things that I got from the Target Dollar Spot. All right, that is my short and sweet little shopping haul from Target. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Tiffany and Jessica's channel. Thank y'all so much for hosting this collab. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. So many ladies have some shopping motivation for you to get your grocery shopping done. And also, if you like this video and you would like to see some more Target Dollar Spot shopping hauls, click the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would help me reach my goal by clicking the subscribe button, click the bell button, and leave a comment below. Anyway, I gotta get some of these groceries put up, so I'm gonna go for now, but I will see you next time. Bye.